Hey there, nail art enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the world of red nail designs, but with a twist. You know how some trends come and go, like those marble nails or the cool girl styles that blow up on social media? Well, red nails are different. They're the timeless classic that never goes out of style. But here's the thing, just because it's a classic doesn't mean it can't be fresh and exciting. This year, red nails are getting a makeover. We are talking about a whole new level of creativity, from subtle hints of color to bold, in-your-face designs. It's like the fashion world is saying, "Red, we love you, but let's spice things up." Let's start with a springtime favorite. Floral patterns are a go-to for many, but this year, it's all about the red florals. Imagine delicate red blossoms on your nails, giving you that spring vibe even before the season officially arrives. It's a subtle way to stay ahead of the trend curve. Now, for those who like to make a statement, celestial nail art is huge right now. Picture this: silver stars against a bold red backdrop. It's edgy, it's playful, and it's a far cry from your typical red manicure. This is the kind of look that says, "I'm here to shine." And what about the classic French manicure? Well, it's getting a makeover too. Instead of the usual white tips, imagine a vibrant red. It's a chic twist on a timeless design, making it perfect for those who want to stay classic but with a modern edge. Here's a fun idea: why choose just one design? Mix and match. Hearts, French tips, minimalist dots, you can have it all. Just stick to a consistent red palette, and you've got yourself an eclectic, yet cohesive look. It's like a romantic story unfolding on your nails. For those who prefer a more understated look, micro dot details are your friend. Tiny nail stickers or micro dots in your chosen red shade add just the right amount of detail. It's a subtle way to stay on trend without going overboard. Now, get ready for a blast from the past. Two-tone manicures are back, and red and white swirls are giving off major retro vibes. It's a bold statement that takes us back to the good old days. But let's talk about the color combo that's taking over the fashion and beauty world: pink and red. This vibrant clash is a trendsetter's dream, especially on shorter nails. It's a fun way to play with colors and make a statement without going overboard. Ombre nails are another classic, and they look stunning in various shades of red. You can even reverse the gradient, making nail growth less noticeable. It's a clever trick that keeps your manicure looking fresh for longer. Inspired by childhood treats, soft, milky reds are making a comeback. Think creamy strawberry and banana tones, a nostalgic yet trendy choice for spring. For those with larger nail beds, try framing your nails with intricate floral designs. It's a unique way to showcase your love for nature while keeping things artistic. Accent nails are getting an upgrade too. Try matching your thumb and index finger with heart details while keeping the rest simple. It's a subtle way to stand out without going overboard. Want to give your hands a more streamlined look? Try a sophisticated combo of red and chocolate brown. It's an elegant way to elongate your fingers and add a touch of warmth to your overall style. Red gingham nails are making a bold statement, especially in colder climates. This checkered pattern in red and black is a fun way to bring a classic fabric design to your fingertips. Can't decide on just one red? Go for skittle nails. Choose 5 shades, from bright to deep, and wear one on each finger. It's a personalized tonal scale that lets you explore the entire red spectrum. Finally, we can't forget the ultimate classic: a flawless, high-shine red. This is the timeless choice that never fails to impress. It's elegant, it's bold, and it's a nod to the enduring power of this iconic color. So, there you have it, red nails, but with a twist. From subtle hints to bold statements, these designs prove that classics can always be reinvented. Which one will you be trying out next? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fashion and beauty insights.